Hello world! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on our honest travel guide to Balicasag Island here in Bohol, Philippines.
See the dolphin, sir? Nope.
Booked a private boat tour through Alona Bohol Travel and Tours. Found them on Facebook and chatted mostly on WhatsApp. Our driver Ronald picked us up around 6:30 in the morning. It was a short 10-minute drive where he handled everything, payments, waivers, and handing us off to the skippers.
Pila ka buok mas? Mas?
Enam.
Umum ra.
Bersih.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Puro interest pa except
I will pull it.
Okay,
Because the payment for the ticket.
Oh, this is the fee, right? Yeah. How much? For 5,000. The tour cost 5,000 Philippine pesos, which is about 85 US dollars plus tip, which covered our own boat, 2 guides, and a ride straight from our hotel to Alona Beach. It benefits to stay active and not be out of shape when you travel like this. You know, one wrong move can cause a problem.
Gapon na mudala, kayo.
Which one? We finally got on the boat around 7:15, where the sun was just starting to rise, casting this incredible golden light over the water. Seriously, like a perfect island start. First stop is dolphin watching, then snorkeling at Balicasag Island. Our initial plan was to include Virgin Island, but unfortunately that stop didn't go as planned. Alright, here's something exciting! 15 minutes into the ride, we actually spotted dolphins. Our guides were awesome, pointing them out respectfully without chasing. But the other boats? I'm not sure how I feel about this. Dozens of them started speeding toward the dolphins, surrounding them way too close. At first, the excitement was real. There they were, totally wild and free, but then the whole vibe changed. Within minutes, what should have been this peaceful moment turned to lots of boats, all with their engines roaring, surrounding this pod of dolphins. The sound of the loud motors definitely scared them off, and it just felt wrong. We told our skipper to skip it and move on. The boat ride from the shore to Balicasag Island took about 45 minutes, which gave us some time to kind of reset. The sunrise was still amazing, the water was this deep, beautiful blue, and the view was incredible. Balicasag is known as one of Bohol's top diving spots, protected for its coral reefs and sea turtles. About 45 minutes later, the water turned to this unreal shade of turquoise. But wow, it was pretty crowded. We weren't pulling up to a quiet island, we were pulling up to a floating parking lot. There were so many boats circling the island. One of the guys walked us about 8 minutes inland to where the restaurant shacks were.
Look at this chicken. Tight.
Like the old chickens. It's crazy. Look at this one.
I want adobo. You know?
We waited a bit and then a different guy took us to a little booth where we had to pay another set of entrance fees. From there, our new guide led us to a bunch of smaller paddle boats called bancas to take us to the snorkeling spots. This was kind of funny. We had to duck under while we squeezed through the bigger boats.
Our first stop was the turtle area, and it was so crowded, like 20 people surrounding one turtle kind of crowded. Still, we tried to enjoy the moment and appreciate how clear the water was. At the beginning, we saw one sea turtle, just chilling and eating seagrass. It was cool and all for about 5 seconds, and then the crowd moved in. There was at least 10 people swarming this one turtle. It was a mess of flailing arms and kicking feet. The current was pretty strong, so you do have to be careful if you're not a strong swimmer. Use the life vest if they offer you one. I recommend trying to bring your own fins because they didn't provide us any.
Had enough exploring this island because it's like overly crowded. As you can see, there's so many boats around. So by the time you go out snorkeling, there's like barely any space for you to even enjoy yourself in the sea because it's just so crowded. But don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. It's beautiful out here. After snorkeling, we headed straight back to the little outdoor restaurant and had some banana and coconut smoothies to dry off. The ride back was calm and relaxing. Definitely the highlight after all that morning craziness. So this tour usually includes a stop at Virgin Island, known for its beautiful white sandbar and crystal clear water. But it's been temporarily closed since September 2024 and was supposed to open sometime this month in October. However, they decided to extend their rehabilitation progress. Authorities closed it due to coral vandalism and damage from boat anchoring and too many tourists. Honestly, we support it. The reefs deserve a break. A few tips before you go. Bring your own snorkel gear. One of ours didn't work properly and fins aren't provided. Bring cash for food, tips, and entrance fees. Bring a waterproof bag for your valuables. Use reef-safe sunscreen, protect your skin and the corals. Bring earbuds for them loud motorboats. Tours usually cost around 1,500 to 2,000 per person, but private ones like ours are around 5,000 pesos. It's worth it if you want more freedom. So our honest thoughts, Balicasag Island is beautiful but also overcrowded. If you're expecting peace and quiet, you might be disappointed. But if you go knowing it's busy, crazy, and still naturally stunning, you'll enjoy it. Having our own private boat really made the experience better. No waiting, no rushing. It's one of those trips that's not perfect but totally memorable. If you're planning your trip to Bohol, we hope our Balicasag Island Guide helps you plan better and travel more responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next adventure. Bye!